Hi everyone, welcome to this edition of the Miami Real Estate Whiteboard. Today I have some big news on a very teeny tiny small type of property. I'm talking about micro units. On November 16th, the Miami City Commission voted unanimously to approve a new smaller minimum size requirement for residential units built in the city of Miami. Up until now, residential units had to be at least 400 square feet. The city has voted to reduce this down to a minimum of 275 square feet. There are two other details in this. One is that these units have to be built within half a mile of public transit, and the other is that they have a 1 parking spot maximum and a no parking spot minimum, which I think is a great forward-looking move on the part of the city. So I think this is game-changing, wonderful news for the city of Miami. I think it's going to go a long way towards helping the urban core develop further into being a walking, community-driven neighborhood where people live and work and travel to. These products will be targeting obviously millennials, creative professionals, and just people who want to live in a walkable urban core. This smaller unit size is lockstep aligned with strong trends that we're seeing nationwide and in Miami. Nationwide, there was actually a recent study that showed that for rental properties, units up to 600 square feet have the highest occupancy of any unit size nationwide. And in Miami, this smaller unit size is aligned with quite a few trends and in affordable housing needs in the city of Miami. Miami has an affordable housing crunch. That's the first big thing that this smaller unit size can address. Miami's a growing city, it's population positive, people need places to live, but in the central urban core there really hasn't been that much built that's affordable or accessible to especially younger people who are moving to the city to work. I mean, we're seeing a demand of affordable rent because we're seeing the demand push rents up in less central neighborhoods. For instance, last quarter, Little Haiti saw rents go up 13%, with a one bedroom now averaging $1,300 there. Meanwhile, a one bedroom is averaging, I believe it's $2,100 in Brickell. So there's real demand for an affordable product in the central business district and in downtown Miami. Also, Miami is population positive. People keep coming and they need a place to live. And most of the people moving to Miami aren't looking to buy $2 million condos. They're looking to rent a place in a community that they can walk around, that they can get to work easily, that they can do their shopping in, walk their dog. People want to live in urban central communities more and more. We are seeing more rental projects being built with smaller unit sizes, but I will also point out that in Miami, while there is a big downturn in condo transaction volume, right now we're below 2011, the only segment of the condo market where we're seeing transaction volume growth is the segment from $200,000 to $325,000 sale price. And that is where a micro product would sell. So there actually is condo demand. I can make the case for condo demand within this smaller size designation as well. So to sum it up, I think that this new micro designation is fantastic, big, game-changing news for the city of Miami. And I think that in combination with the existing flexibility of the Miami 21 urban core zoning, I think that we're going to see some really innovative, community-driven, awesome products come to market in the urban core. Now, having said all this, the 275 square foot minimum may be less shocking to me because I'm from New York and my first apartment was about 315 square feet. But I was 20 years old, it had an awesome view, and it was in a great location, and I loved it. And I think that much the same logic will apply here in marketing these types of products to the young people that are coming to live and work in Miami today. Well, that's a wrap. Contact me directly for off-market acquisition and development opportunities.